This is a 5-pack of 6-inch long brushed brass gold cabinet handles I bought from Golden Warm for a DIY bathroom makeover, and they are just gorgeous. So let me show you a closer look with some tips for installation. Each handle comes individually wrapped. The handle, and these are 3 3/4 inch apart, and each pull comes with 4 screws, 2 shorter and 2 longer. So I found that the shorter ones are perfect for regular cabinet doors, and the longer ones are perfect for drawers, which have like a double face, like this one does. It has to go through 2 of those, and then this kind is perfect with that shorter screw. For these screws, I find the 9/64 drill bit to be perfect. I actually had to do starter hole, pilot hole with a smaller one and kind of build up because I don't have a great drill. Ultimately, the 9/64 is gonna be perfect for the screws that come with these handles, FYI. Once I've got them just barely poking out, I line it up on top of here, kind of get it latched on, and then I go back and forth little by little. Here we are, all finished. This is on Heirloom Traditions All-in-One Paint Capri. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And really nice. I like this because you can hook something on it. You could put a towel through. This is against the Heirloom Traditions All-in-One Cashmere White. So that's a beautiful look as well. Yes, gorgeous. Love these. There's no template or anything, but easy enough to do.